The Supreme Court today rejected an application by the Prime Minister to strike out what he described as scandalous portions of an affidavit filed by a Senior Integrity Commission official in his lawsuit against the anti-corruption body. Justice Althea Jarrett also denied Mr. Holness access to certain documents he claimed were critical to his case, including redacted materials. However, the judge granted Holness and his co-claimants permission to appeal the ruling. The co-claimants are Imperium Holdings Limited, Positive Media Solutions, and Positive Jamaica Foundation. The Prime Minister and the three associated entities sought to remove at least 12 paragraphs from the affidavit sworn by Craig Beresford, the Commission's Director of Information and Complaints. Holness argued that some of the paragraphs and exhibits were an abuse of process, scandalous, frivolous, and vexatious. However, the Commission maintained that the statements were directly responsive to claims made by Holness. The case forms part of a broader judicial review and constitutional challenge over the Commission's handling of an investigation into Holness's finances and alleged illicit enrichment. Holness has denied any wrongdoing.